In the beginning, I want to tell you its top, its bottom, its middle, and its below bottom. So let's get started. Draw a slanting line from top to bottom, another slanty line from top to bottom, and in the middle draw a sleepy line which match two slanty lines. For lowercase a, draw a curve and a little standing line. For b, a standing line, a curve from top to middle, another curve from middle to bottom. Lowercase b, a standing line, and a curve from middle to bottom. For C, a curve draw from top to bottom. Lowercase c, curve from middle to bottom. D, a standing line from top to bottom and a curve on the right side of I from top to bottom. Lowercase d, a standing line and a curve towards left eye from middle to bottom. E, a standing line from top to bottom and a little sleepy line on the top, same way the little sleepy line on the middle and a sleepy line on the bottom. Lowercase e, first we draw a C, a curve from middle to bottom and a little slanty line in E. F, a standing line from top to bottom, a little sleepy line on the top, another sleepy line in the middle. Lowercase f, a curve on the top, standing line from top to bottom and a sleepy line in the middle. G, आप बच्चे को ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि आप C लिखेंगे और फिर G बनाएंगे या आप C को कॉपी करें और देखिए ऑब्जर्व करें. Draw a curve from top to bottom and draw a sleepy line on the middle and standing line from middle to below bottom. For lowercase g, draw a curve from middle to bottom like lowercase c. Draw a standing line and a curve towards left eye. H, a standing line, another standing line and a sleepy line in the middle. Lowercase h, a standing line and a curve towards right eye like this. Uppercase I, a standing line from top to bottom, a sleepy line on the top and another sleepy line on the bottom. Lowercase I, a standing line from middle to bottom and a dot above it. J, a standing line from top to bottom and a curve on the bottom towards middle on the left eye and a sleeping line on the top. Lowercase j, a standing line from middle to lower bottom and a curve towards left eye, same as uppercase j, and a dot above middle. K, a standing line from top to bottom, a slanty line from top to middle and same a slanty line from middle to bottom. Lowercase a standing line from top to bottom, and a slanty line, two slanty line in the middle. You can teach this like alligator mouth from top to bottom and alligator mouth in the middle. Uppercase L, a standing line from top to bottom and a sleepy line on the bottom. Lowercase l, a standing line from top to bottom and a curve towards right eye. M, a standing line from top to bottom, another standing line from top to bottom. Make a little dot on the bottom and draw a slanty line from top to bottom, another slanty line from top to bottom. You can draw from upside down side and then from downside to up like this, and also can draw from upside to downside, another way from upside to downside. Both are correct ways. Lowercase m, a standing line in the middle, a curve towards right eye and an other curve towards right eye. N, a standing line from top to bottom, another standing line from top to bottom like H, like M, and draw a slanty line from top to middle. For lowercase n, a standing line from middle to bottom, in the middle, and a curve towards right eye. O is a curve from top to bottom, it's curve, and it goes back towards top. Or you can say an oval shape from top to bottom. Same way, a curve in the middle and it goes back upside like this. P, a standing line from top to bottom and a curve from top to middle towards right eye. For lowercase p, a standing line from middle to bottom, below bottom, and a curve in the middle. For Q, make a O from top to bottom and draw a slanty line from middle to bottom. Lowercase q, draw a C, a standing line from middle to below bottom, and a hook. R, a standing line from top to bottom, a curve from top to middle, and a slanty line from middle to bottom. Lowercase r, a standing line in the middle and make a curve on upside. For S, draw a curve towards left eye from top to bottom, middle, and draw another curve from middle to bottom. It's on the left eye and it's towards right eye. The same way, for lowercase s, draw a curve from left eye to right eye in the middle. T, a standing line from top to bottom and a sleepy line on the top. Lowercase t, a standing line from top to bottom and a curve towards right eye. After it, draw a sleepy line in the middle. For U, draw a standing line from top to bottom and draw a curve in the bottom and go upside with a standing line. Your lowercase u, a standing line with a curve in the middle and a standing line with it. Uppercase V, a slanty line from top to bottom and another slanty line from bottom to top. In the same way, a slanty line in the middle to bottom and another slanty line from bottom to middle. W, make a slanty line from top to bottom, another slanty line from bottom to top, a slanty line from top to bottom and another slanty line from bottom to top. Lowercase w, a slanty line in the middle to bottom, another slanty line from bottom to middle, the same way from middle to bottom and bottom to middle. X, a slanty line from top to bottom and another slanty line from top to bottom which match it across it in the middle. The same way lowercase x, a slanty line in the middle, or you can say from middle to bottom, and another slanty line from middle to bottom which cross it in the middle or a center. Uppercase Y, a slanty line from top to bottom and another slanty line from top to middle which touch the previous slanty line. Same, the lowercase y, a slanty line from middle to bottom, middle to below bottom, and another little slanty line from middle to bottom which touch the previous slanty line. Now uppercase Z, a sleepy line on the top, a sleepy line on the bottom and a slanty line from top to bottom. Same for lowercase z. Here is a line is very little, so I am telling you here. A sleepy line on the middle, another sleeping line on the bottom and a slanty line to match it.